The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in today's video we'll give an overview of what bankruptcy can do for you and what it can't in Illinois and Iowa. So what bankruptcy means for you depends on the type of debt you're struggling with, how much you have, and what you're willing to lose. You'll have to determine what type of bankruptcy is best for your situation, and this is a good conversation to have with a bankruptcy attorney. The two main options being Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Once you file for bankruptcy, the automatic stay kicks in, and most creditors will be prohibited from continuing to harass you for payments on any debt that has been paid up to this point. It also puts a hold on foreclosures, evictions, and repossessions to the automatic stay. If you're in the middle of an eviction litigation, the process will be suspended after filing for bankruptcy. In many bankruptcy cases, this freeze will be temporary, and once the stay lifts, the foreclosure, eviction, or repossession process will possibly proceed. If filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you'll still lose your house if you can't make up the debt through the bankruptcy process. Chapter 13 will still activate the automatic stay, but unlike Chapter 7, it is designed to enable you to keep assets such as your house and your car. For most people, bankruptcy is the means by which they get rid of unsecured credit card debt, medical bills, personal loans, mounting utility bills, and just about any other owned debt not tied to a property. Secured credit card debt is going to be a different story. If you bought jewelry, furniture, or large electronics, etc., and financed the item through the store, it is likely secured credit and you'll have to pay for the item, sell it, or it will be repossessed. In general, secured debt can be wiped out in bankruptcy, but you won't be able to keep whatever item is securing the debt, whether it is a house, car, or something else. The specifics of this will depend on what type of bankruptcy you file. Some unique benefits of Chapter 13 bankruptcy include stopping a home foreclosure and allowing you to keep the home if you can restructure your debt. With Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you will have to give up all non-exempt items and property, but with Chapter 13, you can elect to keep some non-exempt assets, but they're going to be included in the repayment plan. Cramming down secured debts. When the value of secured debts, such as a car loan, is lower than the loan amount, Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to lower the amount of the loan to the value of the item. So for example, let's say you still owe $20,000 on your car loan, but the car is only valued at $8,000. The loan can be adjusted down to that amount, thereby lowering the monthly payment. However, there are exceptions to the perk. If the aforementioned car was purchased within the last 30 months, you won't be able to cram down the loan. Mortgages are also exempt from the cram down perk. So what bankruptcy can't do? Well, it can't eliminate child support and alimony obligations. It can't erase student loans unless you can provide serious undue hardship in paying back the loan. It can't stop a secured creditor from foreclosing or repossessing certain property. So again, trying to keep your house or car. It's important to understand the difference between a lien and a regular debt. A lien is a court ruling that gives the creditor the right to sell the property at auction and apply the proceeds to a loan. In Illinois, a lien stays on a house for up to 7 years or until the debt gets paid, even if the creditor makes no attempt to force the sale of the house. Bankruptcy can still remove your requirement to pay the loan, but it will not remove the lien on the property. Eliminate tax debt. So usually you can't get tax debt eliminated in bankruptcy, but your attorney can discuss other methods to reduce debt owed to the IRS. Other debts not forgiven under bankruptcy are going to include things like debt owed due to crime or other types of legal action, debts for personal injury or death due to negligence or drunk driving, anything you forgot to list in your bankruptcy filing, so you need to remember to be as thorough and truthful as possible when filing your bankruptcy paperwork. Also, bankruptcy fraud is punishable by up to $250,000 in fines and 20 years in prison. And you can't get rid of debt related to fraudulent activities in bankruptcy. If you're considering bankruptcy, but you're not sure if it's the right move for your situation, don't hesitate to give us a call at 630-324-6666. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.